Here's a 2013 New Holland Workmaster 40. So that's a 40 horsepower, four-wheel drive, diesel tractor. It's got 1,700 hours on it. It is a hydrostatic tractor. PTO is not engaged. He's trying to engage it. Oh, that was the four-wheel drive, not the PTO. There you go. PTO is engaging.
It's on the dashboard on this tractor.
Oh, it's on the dashboard on this tractor, not down below.
Oh, the takeoff right there.
Okay.
Four-wheel drive works.
Four-wheel drive works. 1,700 hours. New Holland Workmaster 40.
Might shut off.
Probably going to shut off. I'm sorry, I didn't finish my video here. This is at 1,767 hours. You can see that there. And the PTO is right here on the dash, so that took him a second to figure out. And I don't think I can get this hood open. Let's see if I can. I can't by myself.